guys, what's up?
This is me, Olivia.
And me, Rachel.
And this is my first video, so my channel is just going to be a DIY channel. Yeah, and today we're going to be making slime. So what you need is Elmer's glue.
So a bowl and a spoon to mix with. Some Tide laundry machine. Laundry
detergent.
detergent.
And then you can use paint,
food dye,
and some of that. I'm using tie-dye right now.
Okay, and then water or soap or lotion, which is optional. But we're
going
gonna
to use
use
lotion and a little bit of soap.
Okay, so let's get on with the video.
Okay, so
wait, is it filming?
Yeah. All right, so first you're gonna put in
your glue into the bowl. Why am I fresh?
You know.
Okay, and then however much glue you pour is however much slime you'll get.
Yeah, I think everyone knows that. Now you're gonna put in some of the
soap. So if you want it fluffy, you could add shaving cream. But we don't have any shaving cream, so we're gonna use fluffy soap.
Yeah, and then you're gonna add your lotion. It smells like mango.
So yeah, if you want to smell goodly
English. She knows how to speak English. Definitely. Okay. Don't make it. And just put like a few drops. Could you hold it up top while I mix it? Or do you want to mix?
Here, just wait.
Yeah, you can mix and do everything else if you want. Yes, so then after you start to mix, get it the color that you want.
Ours is kind of like a pinkish red.
Yeah, it looks really pretty, I think it does. I'm only mixing a little bit, so now, can you hold it up top and I'll add the Tide. Alright, that's good. So now you're just going to add a little bit of Tide.
A little bit at a time? And it will start to like stick to the spoon.
It will start coming together.
And then just keep on adding more and more and more and more
until you get it all together. After you're gonna need to knead it all together. Okay, so now you're gonna start
to take it and knead it with your hands when it kind of gets like clumped up together. And don't add too much at a time, or else like just do a little bit then mix, then a little bit then mix.
Because then it will just
all like clumpy and it won't stretch, and if you pull it apart, it won't come back together.
Like that. Yeah, like it wouldn't go back together like this.
And it will be like rubber kind of. So yeah.
Sure, it's rubber. Okay, can you help me get all of this off the bottom? And that's how you make slime.
Thank you for watching. Please leave us a like, a comment, and do not dislike.
And a subscribe. And we're going to be doing shout outs.
Yeah,
so
write something. To Wither Girl, shout out to Bello, say dog. I think that's what it's called.
I don't know what my channel is. But if you want to shout out, you have to write dogs down below that you love dogs, because I'm obsessed with dogs.
Her last name's Dogs.
Definitely.
It's true.
I wish.
No, it is. And no, it's not.
Yeah, I wish. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Leave a like and subscribe.